Hey YouTube, this is Will. So I'm going to be talking about options trading in this video today. So please like, subscribe, and comment below on how I can improve this video. Currently I'm at 30 subscribers, and once I reach my 1000 subscriber milestone, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So subscribe. Alright, let's do it. So what is an options contract? An options contract is a leveraged financial tool that gives you the right to buy or sell an underlying asset, but with no obligation to buy or sell that asset. One option contract equals 100 shares of common stock. What are call options and put options? So call options are, they give you the right to buy an underlying asset. I like to think of this as, I'm calling my broker to buy an asset. Put options are, they give you the right to sell an underlying asset. I like to think of this as, I'm putting my asset up for sale. So there are strike price, which is an agreed upon price, and expiration date, which is when the options contract expires. The cost of option contract. Yeah, of course it costs money to buy an options contract. This cost is usually called a premium. I like to think of it like a fee. How is this cost calculated? So there are 5 Greeks. There's delta, which is the rate of change. There's gamma, which is exposure. I have to think of this as the rate of change of the delta. So meaning, if a stock goes up by $1, the delta would change by its gamma. Oh, we'll get into this more in a more advanced video. Rho, which is the interest rate. Vega, which is the implied volatility, also known as IV, which is how much the stock swings up and down. Data, the time decay. So I'll give you an example of a call options. So what does this all mean? The symbol of your stock. Date is the expiration date. There's a strike price, and it tells you either this is a call or a put option. So in this example, let's say the contract cost is at $2 per share, and each option is equal to 100 shares. So the total cost of this contract is $200. So how do I make money with this? So let's say Tesla closed at $430 on or before 12/20/2020. So the total profit I would take is 430 minus 420, the strike price, plus the cost of the contract. This equals to $8 per share. And each contract is 100 shares. So I multiply that by 100, so the total profit is $800 for this example. So what's the difference between options versus stock? Remember, one option contract equals 100 shares of common stock. So in this example, I'm going to do 100 shares of Tesla at 420. That will cost me $42,000. So let's say Tesla at 12/20/2020 closed at 430, and I sell all of my 100 share. So my profit will be $43,000, what I sold for, minus $42,000, what I bought for. So that equals a total profit of $1,000. So in the previous example, one contract cost me $2. The total cost of the contract is $200. So Tesla at 12/20/2020 closed at $430. So my profit again is 430 minus 420 plus 2 equals $8 per share times 100. So that's $800. So the difference is about $200. But when you think about this, I'm only using $200 of my money to make $800 instead of the shares if I use $42,000 to make $1,000. So that is how you leverage your money with options contract with only $200. Again, this is all theoretical. The actual profit may differ. So a put example. Let's say we're using a similar put. So Tesla is a symbol, the expiration date. This is the strike price, and this is the put contract. So in this example, I'm going to use $2 again. The contract is priced at $2. So the total cost of this contract is $200. Let's say Tesla closes at $400 on or before 12/20/2020, so it lost value. So my total profit will be 410, which is the put option, minus what the current price is $400 plus $2, my fee, is equal to 8 times 100 shares equal $800 of profit. So here's a real example of TD Ameritrade of how the option string look like. So you'll see here, this is the symbol and expiration date, Tesla, December 31st, 2020. This is on the left hand side is the call option, and on the right hand side is the put option. And these are your strike prices. So let's take a look at the 460 call example. So I'm going to look at the November 2020 460 call. It's going to cost you about $8.15 per contract per share. Multiply that by 100, so a total cost of $800.15. And the December 31st, 2020 call is going to cost you about $4,080. So the difference between these two is mainly caused by the data creep, which is the time decay. The further out the expiration, the more it costs. There's also other factors, but mainly is the data. Similarly, look at the 450 put. The closer expiration date, the November 20th, 2020, is about $4.05. Total cost will be $405. And the further out December 31st, 2020 450 put is going to be $3,530. So that's all I have. So the key takeaway. Remember, an option contract gives you the right to buy or sell an underlying asset, but not obligation to buy or sell it. One option contract equals to 100 shares of common stock. Call option. I'm calling my broker to buy an asset because I know it's going to the moon. Put option. I'm putting my asset up for sale because I know it's going to tank. Strike price is an agreed upon price. Expiration date is the date the contract expires. Option cost is a premium to buy because you are leveraging your money. The 5 Greek causes the premium to go up or down. Alright, so that's it. So let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. I'm going to be doing a couple more videos about options trading. So please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.